stars of Tarot by 7. I make my living as a solitary practitioner of witchcrafting, especially focused on divination. But there's more fun to be had. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to be sharing some of my practices with you. We'll be filming here in the reading room. We'll be doing some live feeds, and let me know if there's any topics you'd like me to cover. So join me each week as we delve into the nature of constructing an altar, making witches' ladders, wands, penties, puppets, bonfires, and spells including money spells, exorcisms, love spells, and curses, as well as learning tarot and bone casting and a lot more that are listed below. And best of all, it's totally free. So like and subscribe and you'll be notified each time a new video comes out. See you next time.